girlies, it's your girl Lex. We are back with top 3 lash styles. Have you ever got done with your full face and you're just looking at all the different lash styles that you have on your counter, but you don't know which one goes well? Well, if you want the answer to that question, then before we jump into it, please press that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you're notified each and every time that I upload a video. And we're about to get into it. Alright, so lashes can either make or break your look. So a lot of times I just like to choose the lash style that I want based on my mood, like how I'm feeling. If I'm feeling flirty, if I'm feeling bright, if I'm feeling natural, if I just don't want to be, you know, too dramatic or just low-key, then I'll choose that particular lash. So what I have on today is more like dramatic and flirty at the same time, plus they're a little bit long and they're not too heavy. They don't look super thick because, you know, Flip, he wants to see both the natural but the flirty side at the same time. So here we have a Wispie, which is what I have on right now. It kind of hangs off a little to the side. Then you have like your natural, where it kind of matches your actual lash and it's not too heavy, it's really thin. It almost looks as if you don't have anything on at all. Then you also have that cat eye. That cat eye is where it's short in the inner eye and is extra long on the outer eye. I don't usually wear cat eyes too much. The cat eyes is more for like a stepping out type thing, like if you're going to a party or a club and you just want that extra pop. Alright, so the beauty supply is the #1 place where I pick up my lashes. So you have your natural, your synthetic, you also have your human hair lashes, as well as your mink lashes. Now your mink lashes, they may cost a couple more dollars, but it's definitely worth it because you can wear them over and over and over again. I kind of only like to wear my lashes about 4 to 5 times, but I am sanitizing in between each wear, mainly because I don't want to put on the same bacteria as what was on my eye before. That's just disgusting. So the new lash glue that I use is the Duo Quick Set lash adhesive. You literally put this stuff on your lash, let it kind of sit on there for a couple seconds, pop it on, and it's dry instantly. This is way better than the original Duo lash glue or even the hair glue, which is what I used to use, which you should not use that. Another place to buy your lashes is actually online. So you can get them at like Amazon or even like the little knockoff places where you can just get them in the little sets. Those are just gonna kind of cost you $1 to $2, but sometimes those are hit or miss, mainly because of the quality of the lash. Like, you'll know a good lash when you pull it out of the packaging. So some do's and don'ts of how to wear lashes. So one, which is a hard thing that I had to learn, was actually put the lash as close to your lash line as possible. If it's not, you'll look like a dang fool. Okay, let me just put it out there. Other thing, make sure that your natural lashes are down first, not above, not to the side, down. I have curly lashes, so I always have issues with this, and you just look crazy if your regular lashes aren't flowing in the same direction as the natural lash. The next thing is you can cut your lashes just to make sure that they are the length of your eye. You don't have to do all that. I don't even do all that anymore. Just make sure that they're nice and center, and hopefully the end of it is not hanging off too much. If it is, then that's when you know you need to trim. Another thing is, if the inner corner of the strip of the lash is not glued down really well, it'll almost look as if there is a piece that is coming off of your eye. And then whenever that happens to me, Flip always wants to snatch them off. So whenever I put on makeup, Flip, he loves it. But by the end of the day, he just wants to take his whole hand and smear it across my face, snatch my lashes off, and make me look like a dang clown. I absolutely hate it, but it's hilarious. So the lashes that he really likes me in is the dramatic flirty look. Or sometimes he wants them short in the inside and long on the outside, almost like a twist between a cat eye and a wispy, but not true to neither one. Mainly because he just thinks it's really sexy and it goes with my high cheekbones, sometimes the makeup, or even like my eyebrow with the lash. It just makes it like super nice. Hopefully you've learned something, you've taken something away from this. If you have any questions or you just want to comment and let me know your different lash styles and what your favorite one is, put it down in the comments below. So this duo lash glue,
big beats on the track.